Hi everyone, welcome back to Ryan Easy English. My name is Ryan Bennett. Today we will study the beginning sound of J, K, L. Are you ready? First let us study the letter J. This is the letter J. J makes the J sound as in jar. Can you say J? Good. The next letter is K. This is the letter K. K makes the K sound as in kite. Can you say with me? K? Very good. Next let us study the letter L. This is the letter L. L makes the L sound as in lion. Can you say L? Nice. So today we learn the beginning sound of J, K, L. J, K, L. This is the end of the lesson 5. Did you enjoy the class? I hope so. Bye. Thanks for watching.